Installation steps. Connect the communication port of G-Cloud to the corresponding communication port CN11 on the mainboard of the indoor unit, and then fix G-Cloud to a suitable position on the wall. Here is a little tip. G-Cloud can be connected to any supported indoor unit for installation, and please install it at the location with the strongest indoor Wi-Fi signal, as close as possible to the location of the indoor router. Please cut off the power of the indoor unit before installation. Leave operation is forbidden during the entire installation process. When assembling, please face the panel where the reset button on G-Cloud is located in a direction that the user can manipulate, so that subsequent users can perform resetting and other operations. Before connection, the wireless network must have a 2.4G signal. Both new and old routers can send this network signal. Do not choose a 5G network. First of all, G-Cloud turns off the indoor unit. Press and hold the mode button on the remote control for more than 5 seconds. Then you can see the word May is displayed at the bottom right corner of the remote control screen to set the remote control as the May internal machine. Download Gree Plus app in the mobile application store. Connect the mobile phone to the wireless network. Open Gree Plus app and click on the plus in the upper right corner. When the following picture appears, click Add by Category in the upper right corner and turn on Bluetooth as prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen and click Commercial Air Conditioner. At this time, when the main internal machine is shut down, press the function and ring speed keys on the main internal machine line controller. When you release it, after hearing the beep, the line controller will display temperature and enter the debugging state. In this process, you can also press and hold the reset button on the G-Cloud for more than 10 seconds. Mute 10 numbers in your HUD and click Next. If the account password is not generated, manually enter it. If it has been generated, do not fill in. Just click to search for the device. Select the device hotspot. This step is very important. After the previous step, wait 2 minutes. A network name will appear in the hotspot. If it does not appear, continue to wait until the hotspot name appears. Click Next. If the device is not found, do not get discouraged. Repeat the previous operation and then search again until the device is found. Then you can see the search devices. There are several opportunities to appear directly on the page. Firstly, click on each internal unit. You can set the name of each internal unit according to your needs. Just rename it. The temperature and ring speed adjustment are all left and right sliding adjustments. When changing the router name and router password, you need to reconfigure it by following the previous procedure. Then after completing the configuration, the mobile phone can control the unit in the local area network. Only after completing the account registration and logging in, the remote control, backup, sharing, and other functions can be realized. You can see the G-Cloud control firmware upgrade steps and the steps to add share control in the same family. Solutions to common problems. Configure Firminium 1. Firminium description can't be configured anyway. Cause of Firminium 1, Wi-Fi signal has problem. G-Cloud control does not support 5 Hz frequency band. Solution. You can use the mobile hotspot to replace the router. If the hotspot can be configured, it indicates that the router is incorrectly configured and needs to be reset or replaced. Cause of Firminium 2. Connect the wrong line and connect the cloud control communication line to the H1 or H2 terminal of the indoor unit. Solution. Connect the communication line to the terminal D1 or D2 of the indoor unit. Cause of Firminium 3. The router has enabled AP isolation. Solution. Turn off router AP isolation. Take TP-Link as an example. Logging to the configuration interface of the TP-Link wireless router. Find wireless settings and limited advanced settings, and then check the AP isolation as shown in the figure. Device drops. Symptom: the device drops after a period of use. Cause of William 1. Server update. Solution: the server update slows down the device refresh rate. Wait for a while and try again, or contact the headquarters staff. Cause of William 2. Still use Gree app. Solution: Gree app has stopped updating. Please download the latest Gree Plus app and then reconfigure.